What's good? What's happening, guys? It's Sam, MrBlitztek. I just want to start this video off by saying thank you very much for all the messages everywhere, social media, videos, comment sections, for saying Sam, wish you well when I was ill. Appreciate that very much. I know I couldn't get out to everybody, but I do appreciate those messages and thank you. So as you could tell, I've got bare videos in the backlog, but now I'm gonna make sure they start coming out, starting with this one. As you can see by the title, it's a madness, so hopefully they'll start coming out. It's old, but I hope you enjoy, and more to come. Thanks and enjoy. Without further ado, I think it's best I just get my opening tool, just an ordinary scissors, and open this so-called brown box. I mean, if this is not the PS5, then I'm probably making a fool of myself right about now, but I'm very confident that it is. So without further ado, let me just open this box up. You know, I could actually just be scammed right about now, and I could have been just delivered, who knows, maybe the wrong console, maybe a very small TV, maybe even a MacBook Mini. Who knows? Who knows? You can trust these guys out here, you know, these consumers. But it is undoubtedly what I think. Oh, this thing is huge. It's even the back of the box. Look at this already. I haven't got the space, but I'll make space. All right. Let me do this carefully as I can. This thing, one, is heavy. Two, woo, slips out. Goddamn this. Put to the side. See you later, mate. We don't need that kind of box. The box we do need right now is this big sucker right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at this. This box is massive. Well, it's just as big as the PS4 box. The PS4 is also kind of smaller. Look at this. Yes, what we've been waiting for. PS5, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get all in the camera by Sony right here. What we've got, 8K. It is actually possible of 8K, when we call it, capabilities. You know what I'm saying? They said that this requires one software kind of patch, and boom, really for your 8K madness. But this is what everyone wants right here. 4K, 120 frames per second. You know, some like monitors are capable of that. I'm not sure, some TVs are capable of that. But if you got one 60 frames, you know, it's still good, still very smooth gaming. And HDR, jeez, HDR gaming. All right, I think that's just the box. In fact, what else we got in the box right here? You see what else it says on the box? Play like never before. You heard this right. Like if you played on the PS4, you know, PS3, PS2, PS1. Now it's saying you played it ever before. This is a whole new experience. Never that had this kind of thing before. It's mad. And 825 gig of SSD storage. For me, that's not even enough. You know, because I heard that I think only 600, around 700 is available from the jump. If we had the full terabyte, that would have been way better, because you know, a terabyte, that's a good couple of games, maybe 10 averagely, who knows, but 6, that's a lot of management, you know. It's a lot of management. I don't know about that, but yes, that's the box. That's what the box is saying. Let's see what we've got here. Open up top. I have to break the box already. I don't like to break the box, you know, just in case I have to carry it somewhere. Yeah, right. I ain't carrying it nowhere. Alright. And there's another box inside it. This is like parcel right now. Box within another box. Within another box. It won't come out though. There it goes. Yes. Ooh. There you go. We'll put you to the side. A little square underneath, which is a bit weird. Oh, there's actually even more information. Even more information. I know you guys want to see the PS5 console, but I want to show you guys the whole box. I don't know if you can see that. It says for PS4 console users, you can transfer your data from the PS5 following ways. I guess when you read that, it's like basically through a network, blah, 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 blah. All right, let me just put this to the side of it. Let me close that lid. Sorry guys, I'm just so excited. I've got to show you guys everything. I'll show you guys everything. That's my new background right there. PS5. Boom. Alright. Next box. Lovely icon right there, you know what I'm saying? The iconic PS icon. Woo. Another box. This is crazy. You'd think this is called the play box or something because of how many boxes you're gonna have to get through to actually get to the station. You know what I'm saying? How many stops do we have to make? Alright, like I said, another box. Let's see what's in this box first. This is clearly not the PS5 console because we've seen the console itself. It's not a rectangular kind of thing. So let's see what we've got in here. Come with your plug for your country. Obviously I'm in the UK. We've got a plug here. We've got some paper stuff, you know, warranty and guides for people who don't know how to fix up the PlayStation or might have trouble. You know what I'm saying? Not everyone can fix up the PlayStation. Might have trouble, you know, just in case troubleshooting and stuff. We've got a ooh, see what this is. This is the stand. It looks very funky right about now because it can be standed up vertically or horizontally depending on where you want to put your console. I don't know. I think you could do without the stand, but hey, if they're now equipping this stuff with the stand, you might as well use it. So we've got a stand here, and I believe this is a HDMI 2.1. So you do get the 120 hertz, 120 frames per second with a 2.1 monitor or TV. But if you don't, like I said, you get the 60 if it has a 60. Which it should do. That's like standard nowadays, but I don't know. Maybe you're still on a 1080p TV. I don't know. Basically, get the cable. All the cables you need. Alright, there's nothing in that box. And I think I know what this is. Oh la la. We have ourselves the DualSense. This thing is more weighty than the actual other controller, the PS4. This is crazy. Got a nice little weight to it. I'm liking the new D-pad and the triangle now. It's actually kind of nice. But I really feel like this would actually light up when you turn it on. I don't know why that wasn't. Maybe that's just a bit expensive or too much. But that detail, if that was to have the triangle be green, square to be pink. I got even the shirt, I don't know what's going on. The cross to be blue and then the circle to be red. Imagine that lit up like that and then this just lit up, I don't know, white here. In the dark, that'll be so lit. And obviously I think the lights come through the sensor pad now. This is all totally smooth, unlike the PS4 one. I like the little pad. And on the back, it's just got, oh my gosh. On the back, it's got like a rubbery grip to it. But the rubbery grip is actually the PlayStation logo. So you got the, I'll put it to the camera, you guys won't see it. But when you do get your own controller, it's actually got the little button icons. The triangle, the square, the cross and the circle as the grip. It's smooth on the front and grippy at the back. Quote me, it's mad still. And then yeah, this feels nice. It feels, the weight is nice as well. I'm liking it, let me just. Oh, look at that. Turn it on. Pulsing blue already. Pulsing blue. Look at this. Marvel. Alright, that's enough with the pad. Pad is kind of nice still. We should get a cable. Yes. Alright, we've got a charging cable with the pad too. Charging cable, USB-C to, this can plug into the PS5 and get in. So USB to USB-C. If you've got a plug or something, or you really got like an Android phone. I don't know why I'm saying it right here, but these guys are Android anyway. But yes. Charging cable, really long. Let me just unscrew this one right here. Boom. I'm a short guy, but this is a long cable, you know what I'm saying? This is quite the length. I don't know how far you'd be sitting from your TV, but if you are plugging it in while it's in, I'm guessing, like, standby mode, No problems there. All right, that's now done. Again, we head to the PlayStation box and see the last box that's available here. You be careful with this thing because this is the meat that we're trying to get off the bone. Now, ooh, again, this thing is heavy. Holy crap. Oh my god. That new tech smell. That new tech smell. Let me unwrap this. This, I swear, Christmas came early. They wrapped it and everything, you know. This thing came wrapped. It came wrapped. We are here, ladies and gentlemen. We're finally here. The next gen is this gen right now. And look at this. Look at this. I love it. We got the PlayStation 5 right here, as you can see. It is a big mother. It's almost as big as my 28-inch monitor. I'm just trying to measure up by my eyesight, but it is quite huge. I'm going to sit behind my monitor and I could tell that it might just not tower over it, but we'll see anyway. Yes, this thing is quite nice, quite matted. I can see it's picking up my fingerprints already, even though it's white. It is quite a marvel. As you can see, you got the vents at the front here. You got a eject button at the bottom, power button, a USB-C plug right here, you know. If you want USB-C to USB-C, it's right there. I think that'd be like quicker charging maybe. You got a, wait, here we go. Got a plug right here. So USB-C, plug into here. Woo, look at that. I haven't seen the console one yet and I've already started plugging things in. It's mad, isn't it? And obviously you got a USB-C right here. So you can just plug faster charging, I'm guessing, straight into your DualSense. You know what I'm saying? That's still. And then you got another USB to wherever you want it to be. Maybe it'd be a old PS4 pad, which is weird because you won't be doing that. Doesn't support it. Maybe a hard drive, who knows? I will. Maybe at the back, because the back, oh, this is the disc version. So as you can see, this tray is right here. This tray. For guys that are getting digital, you won't know what this is because your edition won't come with that. It's a shame. And at the back, you got 2 more USB-Cs, 3. That's that's faster speed rates. If you got a external hard drive, which I do highly recommend, get USB 3. You got your LAN for the guys who don't want to use Wi-Fi. I rate you guys. Use cable whenever possible. You know, way better. Your HDMI, there's 1 port, and your power. Loads of vents. All that heat is gonna be freaking making. You don't need a freaking you don't even need a radiator with this thing in your bedroom. There's no way. This thing would be creating enough heat to make you very toasty throughout the winter evenings that you've been playing your PS5 on now. But guys, this is the PS5 unboxing. As you can see, it's a marvel. It is just lovely. It's heavy. I need to go back to the gym because just lifting this thing is just actually crazy on my arms right about now. But I want to go place it somewhere I can set it up, enjoy it. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, make sure you're just subscribing, liking the video like I'm saying. More of these to come if you guys want it. There's more and everything. And on that note, I'm MrBlitztek and peace.